Hello. Today we're going to show you how smart packing can save you money on air freight cost. Let's say you're shipping this drinks cooler. It weighs 20 pounds, but due to its size, if we calculate the volumetric weight, it's actually 90 pounds. Shipping costs can be based on actual weight or volumetric weight, whichever is greater. For our cooler, the volumetric weight is 90 pounds, which is what we use to determine the cost. So if the rate in this example is $4 for a pound, you'll pay $360 to ship the cooler. Now let's say you have a second package, a smaller 30 pounds box you also want to ship. We can place it inside the cooler. By doing that, we'll be making use of the otherwise empty space inside the cooler, space that has already been paid for. By adding the box, you're technically shipping it for free. Remember, the dimensions of the cooler haven't changed, so you still only pay for the 90 pounds volumetric weight. That's right, you would have saved $120. That's because if you shipped the box separately, at $4 per pound, 30 pounds would cost $120, but in this case, you pay nothing extra for the box. As long as the weight of the extra box does not bring the total actual weight to over 90 pounds volumetric weight. Bottom line, you pay the same $360. But you get to ship additional items for free, maximizing the use of your cooler's empty space. Visit our website for other videos explaining volumetric weight and to learn more about optimizing your shipments costs. Get a free consultation today. Remember, smart packing not only saves space but also money. Thanks for watching.